It's
you're
easy-
gonna
it's
call
easy
that
to
column normal population, whatever,
Yeah.
and then you just take it from the calculator and put it into that column and
But-
it'll divide.
Let me just show you how I'm doing it, and then
Okay.
you can just verify that's what you're doing. So yes,
Okay.
I'm gonna store the result in, I'm gonna call this one total private, dot n to be normalized. So this is your total private, oops.
Now, do you have to make the column before you actually do
I
this?
screwed that up.
Because I couldn't get it to populate a column for the staff until I made a column, and then I could come up here and select
No,
it.
It should work,
It should?
it
Okay.
should. So now I'm using total private
And I'm gonna
divided
divide
by
by,
year.
no,
No?
total private divided by population, US
Population,
Oh,
yeah.
Because I wanna normalize
What
it.
the heck am I talking about? You're right.
Okay.
I'm correct. US pop. Okay, so then we hit OK.
Okay. And then it
So
should
there
go over there.
There should be a total private ends. Now these are rates now.
Okay.
Okay, so this represent a rate that is normalized by the population. Effectively, these years are now comparable in the sense that population is no longer an issue.
Okay.
Does that
Okay.
make sense?
Yes.
So I'm gonna do that for every
Mhm.
single
Well,
one of
once-
those
Yeah,
variables.
in fact, don't even use the raw data. You normalize all of them first, then do all your analysis with the normalized columns.
So I can have all my analysis, but basically throw that out the window and then reuse the normalized ones to
Yeah.
make all conclusions.
And one of the things I want people to realize is that your conclusions will change if you choose to normalize or not.
So you want us to do both? If
I
you're
would,
gonna
I
do
would
it.
prefer that you go through that exercise, but
Okay.
again, if that's too much work,
Okay.
don't do one or the other. If
Okay.
you're gonna do one, I would prefer you do the normalized.
And which one was that under?
To do that.
Was that under just that's calculator?
Calculator.
Okay.
How many pages do you expect the analysis to be?
Ideally,
Because I mean, there's a lot of writing that can go into this,
Yeah.
some of which you probably don't wanna read. We'll be
so,
honest.
again, no, that's fine. So remember you were showing me all the output you had from all
Uh-huh.
the regression models. I wanna see only the interesting regression models. And if whatever you show me is in terms of pictures and tables, I want at least a little blurb on it that tells me what the heck this thing is.
Can I include text boxes in the things that I have, like, this means this means this?
Sure.
Instead of writing, or kind
Paragraph
of,
form?
writing paragraph
I
form?
would prefer it in paragraph form, but if you wanna do text boxes, that's okay.
Okay. Okay, could I like put a little text box that says this means nothing?
Well.
Or would you rather me just delete